I mean, at our convenience, we use our personal life as inspiration
Yeah.
for our professional life. So you can't just wipe our hands off, oh, that was in my personal life. No, if you're a shit person in your personal life, you're a shit person in your professional life.
Right.
Taking a stand was not difficult. It's out of the question. You have to take a stand.
Right.
You can't discredit a survivor story, and you can't turn a blind eye to what is happening in front of you. What's difficult is to come to terms with something that these people who are your friends or your colleagues or people you look up to could be involved in something like this. That's what the challenge is, and that was just horrible because imagine these are your people. You're on WhatsApp with them, but you read about them on Twitter that so and so has been guilty of this or so and so. It's been not just comedy wise, it's just been a shit week to just see what is happening, like the amount of filth. And high time we talk about it. Yeah, I mean, it's a really bad situation that we're in, but high time, really. I mean, speaking up about it was out of the question. Like, friend or no friend, you have to speak up. Like, you don't have two versions of you, right? You're one person, flesh and blood. That same person goes home, that same person goes to work. If you are a predator in your personal life, you are a threat to everybody in your professional life as well, and you ought to suffer for that. The fact is that you're not fit to be in your position. No is no, and a no doesn't have to be no. It can be anything. It can be various forms of saying that. Like, disagreement manifests itself in different kinds of ways. Someone can, even a feeble no, I'm sorry, is a no.
Right.
And consent, I read a quote, no, that straight guys understand consent very well when a gay guy tries to touch them. They get it, right? So everybody understands it. Let's not pretend like we don't get it. It's more of a power game. Whether it's in a professional capacity or it's in the bedroom, in your house, in your marriage, it's a status game. I'm the more powerful one, I will use my power. And guys understand consent. I refuse to believe they don't.